Afternoon, Eric Goodwill with Renaissance Solutions, painting and carpentry. So I'm in Vancouver in the Shaughnessy area, and we're just going to take a look at a house that we did in the springtime 2 years ago. We put in all new soffits, so all new soffits all the way around the house, painted the stucco, did a whole bunch of restoration work on the windows, and restored windows. We reglazed them, reputtied them. Yeah, some of these are vinyl windows. We didn't do anything with those, but we restored these windows. It's pretty tricky access, but we brought in a boom lift to get all the way up there to the top. Cedar roof was really tricky to work on right here. We had to set up a whole system using ladders and scaffolding. And then if we walk back in further back, you can see some really tricky access. We've got these two dormers at the top here. And if you're going to hire somebody to do work like this, you got to make sure that they have done this before and have the experience and the tools. One of the things that cedar roofs are really treacherous, they're really slippery when they get wet. So what's critical is that they use what are called cedar roof jacks. It's basically a roofing jack that goes on top of the roof and will allow you to work safely on the roof. You'll notice that the garage itself is an addition that was built, before we were here. That's not original. And this back section here was restored and rebuilt. One of the issues that we had when we were working here is the electrical. You can see up there, there's all the electrical running along the side of the house. We had to have BC Hydro come in and replace that. And then here you can see all the brand new soffit that we put in. This was a fantastic project. It was basically a whole bunch of restoration, stripping and sanding, priming, painting, replacement of the soffits, a lot of carpentry work. We love doing this type of work. Here we are in First Shaughnessy, and just really grateful for the opportunity to help preserve Vancouver's heritage and architecture. Eric Goodwill, Renaissance Solutions, doing it right the first time.